Hi, this is Ananya. Welcome to Newsbeat's latest updates. Aryan Khan gets bail after 3 weeks, maybe in jail till Saturday. Aryan Khan bail. Aryan Khan has been in custody since October 3rd, hours after drug raids on a cruise ship party by the Narcotics Control Bureau. New Delhi. Aryan Khan, the son of superstar Shah Rukh Khan, has been granted bail 3 weeks after his arrest in the drugs on cruise case. He will spend at least 2 more nights in prison as his team can apply for his release only after the Bombay High Court's formal order tomorrow. Aryan Khan was taken into custody on October 3rd, hours after a drugs raid on a cruise ship party by the Narcotics Control Bureau. The star's son has been in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail since October 8 and had been denied bail twice. Aryan Khan's friend Arbaj Merchant and model Munmun Themecha have also been granted bail. Aryan Khan's lawyer Mukul Rohatgi, former Attorney General of India, had argued in court that no drugs were found on him and that the grounds for his arrest were flimsy. The NCB, however, claimed he was part of a conspiracy and that his WhatsApp chats revealed his involvement in illicit drug dealings. The case ignited a debate over whether Aryan Khan's incarceration was justified. Given that no drugs were found on him and there were no signs of use, social media has been flooded with messages of support, with many calling the arrest a witch hunt. Aryan Khan's father Shah Rukh Khan, who is 55 years old, is one of India's biggest and most loved movie stars. The Khan's Mumbai home, Mannat, usually features legions of fans waiting for a glimpse of SRK, especially on his birthday, November 2nd. In the past few weeks, scores of people showed up in solidarity, holding up posters and messages for their idol. Within the film industry, besides Salman Khan, Farah Khan and Hrithik Roshan, few others have openly showed their support. After 2 bail rejections, top lawyer Mukul Rohatgi argued Aryan Khan's case before the Bombay High Court. Mr. Rohatgi said the arrest was wrong and infringed on his constitutional guarantees. He also told the court that the case against Aryan was built entirely on 2-year-old WhatsApp chats that were irrelevant and had nothing to do with the cruise. These are young boys, they can be sent to rehab and they need not undergo trial, Mr. Rohatgi said. The special anti-drug court that denied him bail last week had said he knew about charas hidden in his friend Arbaj Merchant's shoe, and this announced to conscious possession. Mr. Rohatgi called this view far-fetched. I have no control over what is found in Arbaj's shoes. There is no question of conscious possession. Arbaj is not my servant. He is not in my control, he said. Today, the anti-drugs agency asserted that Aryan Khan was a regular consumer of drugs and that his WhatsApp chats point at the procuring of hard drugs in commercial quantity. Accused, number 1, Aryan Khan is not a first-time consumer, said the NCB's lawyer Anil Singh, the Additional Solicitor General. He is a regular consumer since last few years and he has been procuring drugs. There is a reference of procuring drugs in commercial quantity and the drugs are hard drugs. He has been in contact with peddlers, said Mr. Singh. When the judge asked on what basis the agency had found him dealing in a commercial quantity, the NCB referred to his WhatsApp chats. WhatsApp chat I am relying on will show he had made an attempt to deal with commercial quantity. Not only that, when they were apprehended on the ship, multiple drugs were found with all 8. It cannot be a coincidence. If you see the quantity and nature of drug, it cannot be coincidence, Mr. Singh said. Mr. Rohatgi countered that there were 1300 people on the cruise. There are 500 rooms in the Taj. If 2 people are consuming in 2 rooms, will you hold the entire hotel? There is absolutely no material for purpose of conspiracy, he said. The officer leading the drugs on cruise case investigation, Samir Wankhede, is facing an internal probe within the Narcotics Bureau and another by Mumbai Police over allegations of bribery and extortion related to the case.